Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creaming butter and sugar to build structure. This traps air for lift. Start with room temperature butter and beat on medium until light and pale, about 2-3 minutes. Add sugar gradually so it incorporates evenly. Once the mixture looks fluffy, add eggs one at a time and vanilla, beating until combined so the emulsion forms. Meanwhile, sift dry ingredients together and keep them nearby. Make sure to measure flour by weight or spoon and level to avoid dense dough. You now combine wet and dry, but proceed gently. Add dry in 2 additions and fold until just combined to avoid gluten development that toughens cookies. Scrape the bowl and press any dry streaks into the mass. Do not beat. Divide the dough into portions, flatten into discs, wrap tightly, and chill for 1 to 2 hours so butter firms and flavors meld. Once chilled, let sit 5-10 minutes to soften slightly for rolling. This prevents cracking and keeps edges clean while cutting shapes. You're at the finish. Roll dough to 1/4 inch between parchment for even thickness, cut shapes, and transfer with a spatula to a lined sheet spaced evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 8 to 11 minutes. Remove when edges are set but centers still pale for tender texture. Once cooled, decorate as desired. If cookies spread or flatten, try this troubleshooting tip. Chill the cut cookies on the sheet 15 minutes, reduce oven temp by 25 degrees, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons flour to the dough next batch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.